Hi, it's Tim from ORACLE-BASE.com. In this video we'll be taking a look at the Json Serialized function that was introduced in Oracle 19c. This is quite a simple utility function that converts a JSON document from any supported type into text. We create a test table with a blob column to hold some JSON data. We then insert a single row of JSON data into the table. We can't check the data in the column with a basic query as it's a binary format. We could manually convert the data into text using the UTL raw package. We could also use the JSON query function to return the whole document and convert it into text for us. In Oracle 19c we have a new option which works with all the data types used to store JSON data in the Oracle database. In its basic form, the Json Serialized function just does a conversion of the JSON document into text. We can also use it to convert the output from other SQL JSON functions. In this example, the JSON object function returns a blob, which Json Serialized converts to text. Like many of the SQL JSON functions, Json Serialized can alter the return data type by specifying a returning clause. Adding the pretty keyword pretty prints the output, making it easier to read complicated documents. The truncate keyword forces the return data to fit within the specified returning type. In this example, we specified a return type of varchar 210 along with the truncate keyword, and we returned the document truncated to 10 characters. By default, an error results in a null value being returned. We can specify this behavior explicitly using the null on error clause. Here we try to serialize some invalid JSON and we get a null returned. Repeating the previous example, but this time specifying the error on error clause stops the error being masked. Instead, we see the JSON syntax error. Thanks for watching. As always, there are links to articles containing more information about this subject in the description box below.